Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. Money tricks. Full story. There is a shopkeeper in Soninetti, Clarendon, Jamaica. One day, a mysterious man walked into her shop and purchased $60 worth of items. He handed her a $1,000 bill. She took her $60 and gave him $940 in change. The man left, and as she was organizing the money pen, she realized that the $1,000 turned into a $100 bill. In 2016, another lady was in her store when a man walked in and spent $30,000. He paid in US $20 bills. The store owner cashed the money and closed the register. At the end of the day, when the owner was doing her routine checkoff, she noticed that a lot of the $20 US bills turned into Jamaican $100 bills. These are called money tricks. The most commonly used tricks are known as sleight of hand, where the trickster switches out the money when their victim least expects it. The other is quicksilver, which is a spell used to deceive the eyes of the victim. These money tricks have been plaguing Jamaica, especially Jamaican business places, for decades. A young lady was going about her business when she was approached by two men in a car. They asked her if she can change a $1,000 bill for them. She changed it and walked away. When she was putting the money back into her purse, she realized that it was actually a $100 bill. She was sure they gave her a $1,000 bill, and she was even more certain that they asked her to change it. To this day, she still doesn't understand what happened. It is well known that a certain man who worked at a printery bragged about buying his first car with newspaper. There are many stories told by taxi men about people who pay their fare with newspaper. There are mysterious cases where money that was there before also disappears once it comes in contact with the trick money. A young man was approached by someone who asked him to change a $1,000 bill. He changed it and drove off. By the time he reached his destination, the $1,000 bill, plus all the money that he had on him before, vanished into thin air. Many bartenders have fallen victim to these tricks, where a customer would purchase alcohol and settle their bill, and all would be well until the end of the night when it's time to check off. The money in the register usually doesn't add up to the items sold, and the bartender loses her pay. This is why shopkeepers normally have nutmeg or green lime in their money pen or register. Others use garlic, red peas, and corn because, according to their superstitions, these items can break any quicksilver spell. A man owned a shop, and for years his nightly sale amounted to at least $60,000. A woman who was a known witchcraft worker purchased a food from the shop that day. When it was checkoff time, the only money in the register was $15,000, even though everything was sold out. On another occasion, a lady changed JMD for a USD land transaction. The amount was over $500,000. When she reached home and counted it again, it was only $50,000. Though these tricks can be done at any time, they are most commonly used around the holiday season, especially at Christmas time. These are the type of tricks that you only believe if it happened to you or a loved one.
Like and follow for more.